guys, it's Ajir. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I kind of just did like a little makeup transformation, I guess. As you can see, this is the finished look. I mean, I never really come on camera with the finished look, but I was like, let's just do it today. This is the finished look, so if you guys want to see me transform, I mean, it's not much of a transformation, like I'm not cute either way, but if you guys want to see this makeup look, how I achieved it, just me talking about some like random stuff, then yeah, if you guys want to see my makeup transformation, then just keep on watching. I also do my hair in this video, which I never really do. I mean, not my whole hair, like I didn't put the crochets in, but I did this hairstyle, which I never really do in videos. So yeah, I guess if you guys want to see that, then just keep on watching. It's a new leaf for me. I feel like I've never come on looking crazy like this, so I'm gonna show you guys. It's a transformation because I'm bored. Let me take this off before I continue talking because I literally look crazy, but I'm gonna show you guys how I do my hair. I have crochets, obviously. If you guys watch my videos, you know that. And then I just like, when I take my scarf off, I just kind of like mess with my hair a little bit because it like stays in the shape of the scarf. Guys, I feel like I never come on camera looking that crazy. Y'all see what I be looking like. I look crazy. I got my little coffee. This is so good. A little hack. I bought the little pre in a container. My hair's not done, by the way, but pre in a container coffees, and then I just put whipped cream and cinnamon on this. Look how cute it looks. It's so good. Okay. So I kind of just mess with my hair. You see how it looks kind of flat right now? I don't know what kind of style I want to do. Sometimes I'll sit here and like look on Pinterest for styles and stuff, but I think I'm just gonna do half up, half down like I always do, but with like a thicker little bang piece. I should have showed me doing my edges, but I honestly didn't know that I was going to show me doing my hair until I sat down. And I'll wrap like a twist around the hair tie, just like it gives it extra height, and also it just makes it look cute. Also, I'm not going anywhere. It looks kind of crazy. Sometimes it'll look uneven, then I have to try to like fix it and figure out why it looks like that. But yeah, I'm not going anywhere. I'm just like doing my makeup. If I'm looking in the viewfinder, it's because I want to see. Okay, so you see how there's like a, you can see the part right here. I'm just gonna pull out a twist and lay it down so you can't necessarily see that part. Sometimes, okay, another quick hairstyle I'll show you guys. I kind of want to do a hairstyles for like thicker twists or like crochets, because am I in focus? I look so white, like light right now, because I never really see a lot. Like I always see like box braids and stuff, but I never see like crochets or like thicker twists. But sometimes I'll take the thing and do a little bang, a slick back bang. I don't really feel like doing that today. I completely forgot my earrings and the palette that I'm using today, so I'm gonna get it. I mean, I got a new swivel chair, so I literally just have to roll back. So do like a basic brown look, but I am kind of still. I picked up the Warrior palette by the Warrior 2 palette, which I literally love for like everyday looks and stuff. But I kind of wanna use a new palette that I've never used before. So a while ago I got this Zoeva Caramel Melange, is that how you say it? Palette, and I think I'm gonna use this. Actually I don't know, these don't look, they're pretty, but let me swatch them. They don't look that brown. Yeah, let's just use this one. I'm gonna use a new palette today. Not new, like this isn't new as in like new in stores, as in like I never used this before. So I'm gonna use the Caramel Melange. Okay, so let's finally get started. I guess you guys never really see me do my makeup from scratch, because I never show like me doing my eyebrows, because I always say my eyebrows are a hot mess. So first I just take I mean, this isn't a tutorial, but MAC Prep and Prime or Fix Plus. This is kind of like my first layer of primer, but I kind of just like it because it makes my skin very hydrated. You guys like my lights? Look, it has a remote, so I can literally like okay, so then I just rub this in a little bit. I do the spray before I do my eyebrows because I don't want the spray to like mess up my eyebrows. I mean, I do set my face after, but that's literally after everything is on and stuff. So I'm more on the cheaper side, so I literally like de-potted. I mean, you can't de-pot a pencil because it's a pencil, but like I took a pencil and I like smushed it, like a eyebrow pencil, and I smushed it into like this little compact thing, which I definitely recommend if like you just want to do like some extra stuff with your eyebrows. Not extra stuff, but like sometimes pencils can be really thick. If you get a really thick pencil, then you can do this as long as you have like a brush to do your eyebrows with. So like that's why I did it, because like the pencil was just too thick and I don't like wasting stuff, and also I'm cheap, and also I'm broke, so I just be like using what I have, but trying to be like, what's it called, like inventive and doing different things and stuff like that. So if the camera cuts off, I'm gonna be doing my eyebrows because I'm trying to find this brush, and like I don't really like, oh I found it. I don't really always show you guys how I do my eyebrows anyways, so my camera cuts off. I've stopped recording after a certain amount of time. I say this in like every video, but if it does, then I'm doing the brows. Okay, so just like I said, I'm like a sidekick. I knew my camera was gonna cut off literally when I was like, it cut right off. So I did the brows. Nothing special, nothing. They look, what can you do? So now I'm just gonna prime my eyes with some concealer, Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Infinite Concealer. Makeup Revolution, hit me up. This is my favorite concealer. You know what puts me in a good mood? Watching Black women YouTubers living their best life. Look, I'm in a good mood, and I was like, why am I in such a good mood? And I'm like, I was watching one of my favorite YouTubers before, like while I was setting up and just like doing my edges and stuff, who you guys probably know her, obviously. I love her so much. Aaliyah's Face on YouTube. I love her so much. I was watching her like Vlogmas vlogs, which by the way, I really wanted to do Vlogmas, but I'm really boring, like as you guys probably know. Not even just because of the pandemic, like my anxiety and stuff, I don't do anything. But like I'm doing stuff with family, obviously, and we're gonna be like decorating cookies and stuff. And I got this like me and my sister got these stock advent calendars, so I was like, I might do like a vlog 1 week, not like every day, but a vlog, one video of 1 week, and then you guys can see me like open up some of the socks and maybe like decorate cookies and stuff with my family. But like I don't really do anything else. So but anyways, yeah, I was watching some of her Vlogmas videos, and I was just like, she's so funny, and I was just like cracking up, and I like love her. And like I've been very recently like a little bit discouraged, not discouraged, but like I've been feeling like I never really liked the way I look, but I've been feeling like more insecure and stuff, and more self-conscious and stuff, is that the word? And just like not liking the way I look even more. So like that kind of affects like my YouTube, because then like it makes me not want to film and not want to see myself, and just think that like no one wants to see me with the way I look and stuff. So it kind of affects me. But like I don't know, just seeing Aaliyah, I mean she looks nothing like me, but just seeing, I don't know, like Black women or women in general live their best life, it just like makes me happy and puts me in a good mood. So I was like, let me do it. I mean, I'm still very self-conscious, but I love doing YouTube, so like I don't really want anything to stop me from doing it. I'm gonna get started on the eyeshadow. I really think I just want to do like something kind of simple. I'm gonna take Start Soft in the palette, and I'm gonna put it like on the outer crease. I literally, does that look better? I usually keep my light off because like all the times of every day, because depression, and also because I'm a vampire who doesn't like to see the light, and I just like it to be like as dark as possible, because I have like windows in my room that make it very bright like during the day and stuff. so usually I just keep my light off, and it was off and I didn't even realize. So, but it didn't look bad to me. So this palette doesn't really have any darker colors, so I might have to go in with another palette anyways, which, I mean, this is like a transformation, kind of like get ready with me type thing. So you guys aren't necessarily following it, so I can use a bunch of different palettes, you know. In tutorials, I kind of like, I mean, I think in my one tutorial I did use a bunch of different ones, but I kind of try not to, because it's like, well, if someone wants to recreate this tutorial and you're using 101 different palettes that they might not necessarily have, then it's gonna like be harder and stuff. But they're just watching me do makeup. I mean, you guys probably could recreate this if you wanted to, like with whatever palettes that you have, but that's not really like, you know how tutorials, the point is kind of to like teach you how to recreate something. And get ready with me and transformations are just like to kind of just relax and watch people do makeup and stuff. Also going to be doing some makeup, some Christmas makeup videos. Obviously that's like what I do makeup, but yeah, I'm really excited. I didn't want to do them yet because as of right now I don't have that many ideas. I'm sure I'll like end up having more, but as of right now I don't have many, so I didn't want to do all of my ideas in the beginning of December when I think it's like the end of December, closer to Christmas, and I have no Christmas videos. But I'm gonna probably try to like think up some more videos, so I'll have more. This is really pretty though. Like these shadows are very like soft and like blendable, which is really nice, like and buildable and stuff. They are like pigmented, a good pigment, but like you can also build it up to be like, you know what I mean. I like my eyeshadow to be very like loud and intense, so I like to build it up. But if you don't, this is also a really nice palette. I think I do want to use, the words are so small and they're like gold, so it's hard to read, but I kind of want to use Edible Gem, which is this pretty dark purple kind of brown shimmery shade. I think I'm going to put it like here, but first I want to darken this up a little bit. I am going to take the Warrior 2 palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm going to take Kafuru, and I'm going to put it basically in the same spot that I've been doing, just to darken this up a little bit. Okay, so I did that. As you can see, I kind of like am putting it on the lash line. I think I'm going to darken it up just a little bit more with some more of Walzana. Okay, and now I'm gonna do some eyeliner. So I'm gonna take the Maybelline Long Lasting Drama eyeliner, and I'm gonna just line my like, what is this called, lash line. And I might do a wing, I'm not sure yet, but I'm definitely gonna blend it out. Actually, maybe I will do a wing and blend it out. I did my eyeliner, the wing's a little bit thicker than I wanted to, but it's fine because we are gonna blend them out. Okay, so that's pretty cute. I guess I might fix it later, but now I'm gonna do foundation. I'll clean it up with the foundation and stuff. I'm gonna use, well, first I'm gonna do primer, but the foundation I'm gonna use is the Fit Me foundation, and I'm gonna mix it a little bit with some darker concealer because it's a little light for me. I like to darken up my foundation because even if it looks a little bit dark like on my face, it usually doesn't. It usually matches though, but even if it does, it lightens up once you put concealer on it, so it's all good. Okay, there's something about this eye look that I'm not the biggest fan of, but when I put my head up, I really like it. So I picked up the Too Faced Unzipped Gold palette, which, look at this, beautiful. And I put Rich Girl and Drippin' Diamonds all like pretty much over the lid, and I really like the way it's giving that like sheen to it. Like it looks like wet, which I really like. And that kind of like made it look better, but I don't know, I'm not the biggest fan of it. But I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a little bit of Famous in the palette, Put it on my nose and Cupid's bow. It's kind of cute. Okay, so now let's do the under eye. I pretty much did all my foundation. So let's do the under eye, which I think I'm just gonna take the Warrior 2 palette and take Kafuru and put it in my lower lash line, and then maybe blend it out with like Zama in the palette or something. Okay, so when I was off camera, I pretty much just like finished up the look and everything. It's not bad. I kind of liked the eyeshadow now that I like added a bunch of shimmer to it. I really like the way it like looks with the shimmer, and it kind of looks like wet and stuff. So yeah, I think that's pretty much all I did. I did my lips, some lashes, and that's pretty much it. This video was really fun. I feel like I was just like, I don't know, just like talking about random stuff. I mean, it was a transformation. This is the last look of the transformation. This is the so I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Turn on my post notifications to be notified every time that I upload, and I hope I will see you guys in my next video. I feel like that wasn't much of an outro, but like, I don't know. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.